President Lungu is on the Copper Belt to meet various stakeholders and find solutions to a number of problems facing the province. The head of state landed at the Simon Mwansaka International Airport around 10:50 hours this morning, accompanied by Minister of Mines Christopher Yaluma, Presidential Affairs Minister Freedom Skazwe, and Local Government Minister Vincent Mwale. The head of state is here to engage stakeholders in the mining sector.
The first thing I did when I heard of the suffering of the mine workers on the Mopani copper mine operations, I called for the owners of Glencore. The chairman of Glencore was in Lusaka, and I sat down with him and I told him, I said, if Matampa, it's Upochalapa. That's what I told him. Now, what more care do you need? So don't listen to those people who think they're champions of your interests and causes. There are people who are going around thinking about it.
President Lungu is also on the Copper Belt to visit the Kapalala Market in Ndola, which was gutted yesterday, reducing 3,000 tons to ashes. The head of state has assured the victims that his government will assist them.
So if they begin losing their property in that manner, we cry with them, we mourn, and that's why I found it important to be here, so that I can see how we can alleviate the suffering that they've been hit with. I know that the office of the Vice President through DMMU will do its best to ensure that we help these people quickly. But as President of the Republic, I wanted to take sight of the situation myself and appreciate the suffering and quickly assure them that something will be done.
Earlier, Copper Belt Minister Bowman Lusambo and Patriotic Front Copper Belt Chairman Stephen Kainga explained how troubled people are over the fire.
As Copper Belt Province, Your Excellency, we have a disaster in Kabush constituency where a market was gutted and it was 100% wiped out. Your Excellency, the police, they have done their job, but from the political side, we need to go deeper.
Fwenga bana benu abachipani cha PF nechalo chonse tulino bulanda pamulandi wako bati twaliponenwa na masanso aya mulilo.
President Lungu later visited Kapalala Market. Upon arrival, he was briefed on the situation on the ground.
Kufumoko bafuma kutira ifintu ifikankala maisa kuno ichi chintu tufuire to establish kwebati ba president umutima wabo waba kuno.
Your Excellency, you left State House, you left ama appointment mkwete kusaka, you left inchito mkwete kusaka, ukuisa mona ma problems yamene wa maketia wapezana nayo. Your Excellency, you have really touched our hearts, you have touched the hearts of the marketeers and all those that depend on whatever income they get from here.
The head of state later addressed the marketeers.
For that reason, I have ordered the Minister of Local Government and the DMMU to ensure that they locate you somewhere else start trading almost immediately, and they give you at least toilet facilities and water so that you are able to continue running. So Minister of Local Government, DMMU, take stock of the people who are here today, who have been suffering here, and let's build a modern market here so that we can accommodate them, and please let the rich fend for themselves, because they're able to do so.
President Lungu has since left for Lusaka. Meanwhile, 30-year-old Lakson Ngabala has been sentenced to 2 years with hard labor after he pleaded guilty to the charge of criminal recklessness and negligence. Mr. Ngabala confessed having left a brazier unattended to yesterday and pleaded with the court for leniency as he is a first offender and a father of 2. However, Ndola magistrate Oswald Chibalo ruled that he was sentencing him to 2 years so he can reflect on his actions. Magistrate Chibalo said Zambia has seen a lot of fires in the past few months and the sentencing of Mr. Ngabala should serve as a deterrent to would-be offenders. It is not yet clear whether Mr. Ngabala will appeal the 2-year sentence in the next 14 days. Shalala, ZMBC News in Ndola.